Embark on a culinary journey as we explore the profound Ottoman influence on Balkan foods. The rich tapestry of flavors and techniques that define Balkan cuisine today owes much to centuries of Ottoman rule. The Balkans, a region steeped in history and culture, boast a vibrant culinary landscape. From the rolling hills of Bulgaria to the coastal towns of Croatia, each area offers a unique taste experience. Yet, a common thread runs through these diverse culinary traditions, linking them back to the Ottoman Empire. One of the most significant influences on Balkan food can be traced back to the Ottoman Empire. The Ottomans, who ruled over much of the Balkan Peninsula for centuries, brought with them a wealth of culinary knowledge and ingredients that would forever change the region's food culture. For centuries, the Ottomans ruled over much of the Balkan Peninsula, leaving an indelible mark on the region's cuisine. Their influence is evident in the spices, cooking methods, and even the social customs surrounding food. The Ottomans introduced new ingredients such as rice, coffee, and various spices, which became staples in Balkan kitchens. This essay explores the fascinating journey of Ottoman culinary influences on Balkan foods, highlighting dishes like baklava. Baklava, a sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey, is a prime example of this cultural exchange. Its origins can be traced back to the kitchens of the Ottoman sultans, and it remains a beloved dessert across the Balkans. Another iconic dish is Börek, a savory pastry filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Börek's flaky, layered texture and rich fillings are a testament to the Ottoman influence. Street vendors and home cooks alike continue to prepare Börek, making it a staple in both everyday meals and festive occasions. Kebabs, too, are a significant part of this shared culinary heritage. Whether it's the succulent shish kebabs or the spiced kofta, these grilled meat dishes reflect the Ottomans' love for flavorful, hearty meals. Today, kebabs are enjoyed in various forms across the Balkans, each region adding its own twist to the classic recipes. The Ottoman influence extends beyond specific dishes to the very essence of Balkan cooking. The use of spices like cumin, coriander, and paprika, the preference for slow-cooked stews, and the tradition of communal eating all have roots in Ottoman culinary practices. Even the concept of the meze, a selection of small dishes served as appetizers, is a legacy of the Ottoman dining culture. This shared culinary identity continues to bind these cultures together, creating a sense of unity and mutual appreciation. As families gather around tables laden with dishes that tell the story of their history, they celebrate not just their own heritage, but also the rich, intertwined legacy of the Ottoman Empire. Today, modern chefs in the Balkans are reimagining traditional recipes, blending Ottoman influences with contemporary techniques to create innovative dishes that honor the past while looking to the future. This culinary evolution ensures that the Ottoman legacy remains a vibrant and dynamic part of Balkan food culture. Join us as we delve deeper into the rich history and enduring impact of Ottoman cuisine on the Balkans, celebrating the flavors, traditions, and stories that continue to shape this remarkable culinary landscape. The Ottoman Empire was not only a political powerhouse, but also a melting pot of cultures. Its vast geographical reach encompassed regions with diverse culinary traditions, from the Middle East to North Africa and Southeastern Europe. As a result, Ottoman cuisine evolved into a rich tapestry of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. This culinary fusion was facilitated by the empire's extensive trade routes, which brought exotic spices, fruits, and vegetables from distant lands. Baklava, a sweet legacy. This dessert is more than just a treat. It is a symbol of cultural heritage and culinary artistry that has been passed down through generations. One of the most iconic dishes that highlight the Ottoman influence on Balkan cuisine is baklava. This sweet, flaky pastry has a rich history that dates back centuries, and its journey through time is as layered as the dessert itself. This delectable dessert, made with layers of phyllo pastry, nuts, and honey, is believed to have originated in ancient Mesopotamia. The combination of these simple ingredients creates a symphony of flavors and textures that is both indulgent and satisfying. The Ottomans, with their mastery of pastry, elevated baklava to an art form. They refined the recipe, adding their own unique touches and techniques, and it became a staple in their culinary repertoire. The process of making baklava is meticulous and requires a great deal of skill and patience. They introduced it to the Balkans, where it was embraced with open arms and adapted to local tastes. Each region added its own twist, incorporating local ingredients and flavors to create unique variations of the dessert. Today, different regions of the Balkans have their own unique variations of baklava, each with its own special twist. Some regions prefer a sweeter version with more honey, while others might add a hint of citrus or spice to the mix. The diversity of baklava styles is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of the people who make it. Baklava is more than just a dessert. It is a symbol of hospitality and togetherness. In many cultures, it is customary to serve baklava during special occasions and celebrations, such as weddings, holidays, and family gatherings. Sharing baklava with loved ones is a way to create lasting memories and strengthen bonds. The popularity of baklava has spread far beyond the Balkans, and it is now enjoyed by people all over the world. From bustling markets to high-end restaurants, baklava can be found in a variety of settings, each offering its own unique take on the classic dessert. The process of making baklava has remained largely unchanged over the centuries. It begins with the preparation of the phyllo pastry, which is rolled out into thin, delicate sheets. These sheets are then layered with a mixture of finely chopped nuts, such as walnuts, pistachios, or almonds, and drizzled with honey or syrup. Once the layers are assembled, the baklava is carefully cut into diamond or square shapes and baked until golden and crispy. The final touch is a generous drizzle of honey or syrup, which seeps into the layers and adds a luscious sweetness to the dessert. The result is a dessert that is both crunchy and chewy, with a perfect balance of sweetness and nuttiness. Each bite is a delightful experience that transports you to a world of rich flavors and textures. Baklava is a true testament to the enduring legacy of the Ottoman Empire and its influence on Balkan cuisine. It is a dessert that has stood the test of time and continues to be cherished by people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether you prefer the classic version or a modern twist, there is no denying the universal appeal of baklava. It is a dessert that brings people together and celebrates the rich tapestry of cultures and traditions that make up our world. So the next time you enjoy a piece of baklava, take a moment to appreciate the history and craftsmanship that went into creating this sweet legacy. It is a dessert that truly embodies the spirit of tradition, innovation, and the joy of sharing good food with others. Another culinary gem that traveled from the Ottoman kitchens to the Balkans is Börek. This savory pastry has a rich history that dates back centuries, and its journey through time is as layered as the delicate dough it's made from. Börek is made with thin layers of dough known as yufka or phyllo, which are meticulously rolled out to achieve the perfect texture. These layers are then filled with a variety of ingredients, including cheese, spinach, meat, and potatoes. Each filling brings its own unique taste and texture, making Börek a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in many different ways. The Ottomans' expertise in working with dough is evident in the delicate, flaky layers of Börek. The process of making Börek is an art form, requiring skill and patience to achieve the perfect balance of crispiness and tenderness. The result is a pastry that is both light and satisfying, with each bite revealing the intricate layers that have been carefully crafted. Like baklava, Börek has also been embraced and adapted by Balkan cooks, resulting in a wide array of regional variations, each with its own unique flavor profile. In Turkey, you might find Börek filled with feta cheese and parsley, while in Bosnia, it could be stuffed with minced meat and onions. In Greece, spanakopita is a popular variation made with spinach and feta cheese. Each region adds its own twist to the classic recipe, creating a diverse tapestry of flavors and textures. Börek is not just a dish, it's a cultural experience. In many countries, it is a staple of street food culture, enjoyed by people of all ages. Whether it's a quick snack on the go or a centerpiece of a family meal, Börek brings people together and offers a taste of history with every bite. The communal aspect of sharing Börek is a testament to its enduring popularity and its ability to connect people across generations and borders. The tradition of making and sharing Börek is passed down through generations, with each family adding their own special touch to the recipe. It's a dish that carries memories and stories, a symbol of heritage and togetherness. As we savor the flaky layers of Börek, we are reminded of the rich culinary history that has shaped this beloved pastry and the many hands that have contributed to its evolution. Today, Börek continues to be a source of inspiration for chefs and home cooks alike. Its versatility and timeless appeal make it a favorite in kitchens around the world. Whether you're following a traditional recipe or experimenting with new fillings and techniques, the essence of Börek remains the same: a celebration of craftsmanship, flavor, and the joy of sharing good food with loved ones. So next time you take a bite of Börek, remember the layers of history and tradition that have gone into creating this delicious pastry. It's more than just food. It's a connection to the past and a bridge to the future, one flaky layer at a time. Kebabs, grilled or roasted meat dishes, are another testament to the Ottoman influence on Balkan cuisine. The Ottomans, known for their mastery of grilling techniques, introduced a variety of kebab styles to the Balkans. From the iconic sevapai, small grilled sausages, to the flavorful sis kebab, meat grilled on skewers, kebabs have become an integral part of the Balkan culinary landscape. They are often served with rice, vegetables, and yogurt-based sauces, reflecting the fusion of Ottoman and Balkan culinary traditions. The concept of mezes, small dishes served as appetizers or snacks, is another culinary tradition that the Ottomans brought to the Balkans. Meze platters typically feature a variety of dips, salads, cheeses, olives, and other small bites. They are perfect for sharing and are often enjoyed with drinks. Like other aspects of Ottoman cuisine, mezes have been embraced and adapted by Balkan cultures, resulting in a wide array of regional variations, each reflecting local ingredients and culinary preferences. Yogurt, a staple ingredient in Ottoman cuisine, also found its way into many Balkan dishes. The Ottomans used yogurt in both savory and sweet preparations, adding a tangy flavor and creamy texture to their dishes. In the Balkans, yogurt is used in sauces, dips, soups, and even desserts. Tzatziki, a refreshing dip made with yogurt, cucumber, garlic, and dill, is a prime example of the Ottoman influence on Balkan cuisine. The Ottoman Empire's trade routes brought an abundance of dried fruits and nuts to the region, which quickly became incorporated into Balkan desserts. From walnuts and pistachios in baklava to dried apricots and plums in stewed fruit compotes, these ingredients added sweetness and texture to a variety of dishes. The Ottoman influence on Balkan cuisine is a testament to the power of food to transcend borders and connect cultures. Today, as people across the Balkans savor dishes like baklava, börek, and kebabs, they are partaking in a shared culinary legacy that speaks to the region's rich history and interconnectedness. These culinary traditions serve as a reminder of the Ottoman Empire's enduring impact on the Balkan Peninsula, showcasing how food can be a powerful unifier.